Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today in the house we have a very special gaming monitor to talk about, and as you might have already seen the title, it's like the Lamborghini of all gaming monitors. This is one of the fastest, biggest and also the most powerful gaming monitor I've ever had in my gaming arsenal. It's MSI's all new Optics MPG321 UR Quantum Dot 4K gaming monitor. Basically my brand new gaming monitors in my setup. You people know, right, I've upgraded my entire gaming PC setup a couple of days ago, and since then I've been using these monitors and I felt it's about time I'll have to share my review and experience with these particular monitors. And the reason for that is they're not your regular or ordinary gaming monitors. They're like super expensive and have like super high-tech features, guys. Main thing is these are 32-inch 4K gaming monitors and have like quantum dot IPS technology, and also have like a very high refresh rate of 144 Hz along with 1 millisecond response time, and basically packs all the features that you would look for a dream gaming monitor. So I'm like pretty excited to share my review on it. There are both pros and cons I have to talk about, guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end and you'll get to learn a lot about this model. And by the way, I won't be doing all the unboxing part again. I want to cut that crap and directly jump to the review. Let's start with the design and build quality part. The MPG321 URQD is from their Gaming Series 2022 lineup and packs like a 32-inch 4K 144Hz 1 millisecond IPS display with quantum dot technology. And if you talk about the design, the monitor looks absolutely gorgeous from the front. It's got like a complete frameless design, three-sided frameless design with very minimum bezels. There is no border at all. On the bottom, you do have a bit of bezel. Again, that's for the brand logo, and also you've got like an ambient light sensor, right? So that is also there. And here's how the back of the monitor looks like. It's got a three-tone design and has very premium look and feels. The top area is completely covered in a carbon fiber sort of finish, followed by a brushed metal feel at the center, and also has a little bit of glossy areas here and there. And look at those gold accents, especially on that MSI logo, guys. It's like a very beautiful and premium sort of finish, and I have to say, definitely worth the price. I haven't seen such a premium looking monitor in the recent times. And not to miss out, monitor also comes with Mystic RGB lighting at the back as well, that is fully controllable using MSI's RGB software. And here's how the stand looks like. I've completely assembled and good to go. You've got gold gaming series text over here, followed by a beautiful glossy black finish, and it's fully adjustable, guys. You can tilt it, swivel, all sorts of adjustments are available. Let me give you a closer look and show you all the controls as well. There's a 5-way navigational joystick on the bottom left corner, using which you can fully control the monitor's OSD, and you've got ton of features loaded on this model. We'll talk about that in a moment. To the left side of the monitor, you've got a couple of USB ports, and also there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone in as well. And remaining all connectivity ports are present on the bottom panel of the monitor. The monitor supports HDMI 2.1 and also DisplayPort is available, followed by a couple of USB-B ports to use it as a hub and connect all your favorite peripherals directly to the monitor. And yes, it also supports KVM functionality, also KVM 3.0 to be precise. So that was our overview on the design and exteriors. Now let's get to the main part. Let's talk about the display. It's a huge upgrade from my previous gen setup. Previously I had 1440p dual monitor setup, and jumping from 1440p to 4K resolution, that too at 32 inches in a dual monitor configuration, it's pretty nuts, guys. 32 inches is quite big in dimensions compared to 27 inches and is a bit overkill when you have two of them on your desk. Takes up a lot of space, so make sure you actually have a big desk before you want to get these. Keeping that aside, panel itself is quite beautiful. Now come on, it's got 4K resolution, excellent amount of detail. Everything looks crisp and clear even at 32 inches size, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be games, movies or even simple web pages. And talking about the colors, it has a 10-bit IPS panel, that too with a quantum dot layer on the front, and was producing insanely beautiful looking colors. I mean, the color volume, the color quality were off the chart, especially considering it's a gaming category monitor. The panel supports 97% DCI-P3 and up to 99% Adobe RGB color gamut, and was producing like beautiful and rich looking colors. Especially the primary ones, reds, blues and greens, were looking quite vibrant thanks to that quantum dot layer. But there is one thing I do have to mention is the monitor supports a wide color gamut range, yes, and it is capable of producing great results. But out of the box, it is not 100% factory color calibrated. 600, and because of that I only had to manually tweak and tune the colors to get the best possible results. So I'd really request MSI to consider this like feedback. Please MSI, try to factory color calibrate your monitors, at least such expensive and premium models, because not everybody can do this at their home, right? Now talking about the contrast ratio and black levels are also great. And coming to brightness was actually pretty good. For SDR sort of content, typical brightness was around 420 430 nits, and the peak brightness recorded for HDR content is around 600 nits. HDR performance was also good. It's VESA certified display HDR 600 and was offering great dynamic range both in the shadow and highlight areas. Viewing angles are also nice, 178 degrees. I had no issue, picture looked the same no matter from which angle I was watching. Alright, now comes the main part. Let's talk about the gaming performance. The thing that makes this particular model special for gaming is it's got a crazy 144Hz refresh rate support. So you people might be like, hey Vimal, a lot of monitors support 144Hz, right? What's so special over here? Well, let me tell you, this 144Hz is at 4K resolution. Driving a 4K panel at such high refresh rates is no joke, guys. Hence the price tag. On top of that, you do get like 1 millisecond ultra fast response times and also Nvidia G-Sync compatible as well. So you can expect a buttery smooth experience with minimum lags and stutters while playing. Especially if you're an esport enthusiast, then high refresh rates and low response times are quite essential, as these minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects to as low as possible, giving you a better win ratio. I've played multiple number of games over here, even including esport titles like Valorant, and was quite impressed with the results. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about the contrast because it's IPS, right? But nothing like that. Quantum dot layer greatly improves the results. And not just PC, guys, it also works great with consoles as well. In fact, there's a special console mode available on it, using which you can get like best PS5 optimized results out of the box. Added advantage is you also get VRR support on this model. Well, that's it, my video on MSI's brand new Optics MPG321UR Quantum Dot monitor. It's one of the best 4K gaming monitors I've used in a while. Beautiful design, great features, excellent quantum dot IPS display and satisfactory gaming performance. Only thing, as I've told you earlier, is it needs a bit of color calibration to be done from your end to get the best possible results. The monitor used to cost around 97,000 rupees initially, but now MSI has revised the pricing in India and brought it down to 84,999 rupees. Links will be available in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.